Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. My name is Kamala. I'll be teaching you maths this year. I'm so excited to be your teacher this year. This year you will learn the power and beauty of mathematics. So enjoy mathematics and develop patience when solving problems. At the end of this year, you will become confident in using mathematics to analyze and solve problems both in school and real life situations. So let's start our first maths class with chapter 1, integers. Okay, let's start our first chapter, integers. Do you remember what is W? W is whole numbers, right? Yes, this is whole numbers. And what is whole numbers? What are the whole numbers, you know? The numbers starts from natural numbers including 0 is your whole number. It goes on, right? Natural number starts from 1. Natural number including 0 is your whole number. Next, that is 0 and n. This is your whole number. Okay. Next, what is negative numbers? Negative means subtraction sign. So, -1, -2, -3, -4, this is your negative numbers. So let's start. What is integers? Integers is nothing but the whole numbers and the negative numbers together is your integers. Integer is denoted by Z. That is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on. And here, so whole numbers and negative numbers together is Z. First, what is whole number? In natural numbers including 0 is your whole number, right? So whole number and negative numbers together is your integer. So you got the idea what is an integer, what is an whole number, what is a negative number, right? Next, representing integers on a number line. Representing integers on a number line. So how will you represent? Do you remember number line, children? Do you remember number line? Yes. This is your number line. I told you what is your integer? Natural number including 0 is your whole number and whole number and the negative numbers together is your integer. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3. This is your number line. So representing integers on a number line. So can you say, I'm pointing out some numbers, okay? So first, how you will write these numbers, pointed out numbers. It is given 4 numbers are pointed out, right? From these 4 numbers, you have to write these 4 numbers in an ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is smallest to biggest and descending order is biggest to smallest. So how can you write these 4 numbers in ascending order? I told you ascending order is smallest to biggest. Always numbers, negative number is the smallest number, then comes 0, then positive numbers is your biggest number. So can you point out which is your smallest number? First you take the negative number. From the negative numbers, -1, -3. So here you have to write -3 is the smallest number. Next, bigger number than -3 is -1. Next, 0, at last 3. Got it? Descending order is biggest to smallest. So biggest to smallest means positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. In a negative numbers, how will you check which is a greater number and which is smaller number? In a negative, a bigger number is the smaller number and the smaller number is the bigger number in negative integers. So you can write descending now starts from 3, then 0, positive value, then 0, then negative. So you are writing from big to small. So compare this -3 and -1. Which is bigger? You know -1 is bigger. I told you in negative, the smaller digit, smaller number is your bigger one. Next, -3. This is how you will write the represent the number line ascending and descending order. If I give you number line, you can write. If I point out some numbers on the number line, you can write the ascending order and descending order. Next, we'll study addition and subtraction of integers. Addition of integers. So you know integers is a set of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Natural numbers and 0 is your whole number. 1, 2, 3 is your natural number and including 0 with your natural number is your whole number and including negative number with your whole number is your integer. Got it? This is your natural number, including 0 with your natural number. Okay. I'll explain. This is your natural number and including 0 with your natural number is your whole number and negative number 0 and this is your integer. Got it? 1, 2, 3. Natural number is denoted as n. Natural number including 0 is your whole number and negative numbers with whole number is your integer. Integer is denoted as z. Now we are going to add the integers. Addition of integers. What happens when two positive integers are added? So I am going to take two positive integers. First, you have to study the symbol multiplication for multiplication of integers and for division of integers also. So you know that multiplication of integers, plus into plus is plus. If two positive integers are multiplied, your answer you will get the positive sign. If two negative integers are multiplied, you will get the positive sign. If two different symbols are multiplied, you will get the negative sign. So you have to study this for this integers chapter. This is very, very important multiplication symbol. Symbol multiplication. Symbol multiplication. So while using brackets in addition and subtraction of integers also, you will be using this symbol multiplication. So this is very, very important for this integers chapter. Now we are going to add the integers. You have no brackets here, so you can, if you have two positive integers, what is the answer? Plus 2 plus 3. Just check. If the symbols are same, you can add it and put the greater number symbol. If the symbols are different, subtract it and put the greater number symbol. Here the symbols are same. Just check what are the numbers here. This is a positive integer, s. This is a positive integer, s. Plus 2 plus 3, both are positive. Symbols, you check the symbols, plus, plus. I told you for addition of integers, the symbols are same, add it and put the greater number symbol. When you add 2 and 3, you will get 5. And what is the symbol for this greater number? You check what is the greater number. 3 is the greater number and 3 symbol is plus. Got it? This is the addition of integers. Next is adding of two negative integers. We had learnt addition of integers, two positive integers. Now we are going to study addition of two negative integers. So, addition of two negative integers. Our aim is to remove the brackets first. Always remove the brackets first in the problem. So, what you have in the bracket? Minus 2. Write it as it is. Next, I told you if two symbols are nearer, you have to multiply that two symbols. Can you see the two symbols are nearer? Yes. Plus and minus. So, multiply both the symbols plus and minus. Plus into minus is minus. If you multiply different symbols, you will get negative sign. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. If you multiply same symbol, positive sign. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So, plus into minus is minus 3. Got it? Next. Minus 2, minus 3. So, you have symbols, same symbols. I told you the symbols are same, add it and put the greater number symbol. Whether it is a negative sign or positive sign, no problem. If the symbols are same, just add it and put the greater number symbol. Here you have the same symbol, right? So, you add it and put the greater number symbol. Greater number is 3, 3 symbol is 5. Here you have the same symbol, minus minus. Add it. 2, 3. If you add, you will get 5. And greater number is 3. 3 symbol is minus 5. Got it? So, addition of two positive integers and two negative integers. Now, addition of positive and negative integers. Let's see addition of two positive and negative. Addition of positive and negative. Positive, addition of positive and negative. I am going to take one negative integer and one positive integer and I am going to add both. So, what happens? I told you our aim is to first remove the brackets. So, remove the brackets. Plus 2, write it as it is. But you have plus and minus here for this 4. So, what you have to do is, if two symbols are nearer, then they are in multiplication. So, multiply this plus and minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus. Next, you have the 4. Now, you know that if the symbols are same, add it and put the greater number symbol. If the symbols are different, subtract it and put the greater number symbol. Subtract it. 4, 2. When you subtract 4 and 2, you will get 2 and the greater number is 4. 4 symbol is minus. Got it? In addition and subtraction, same. If the symbols are same, add it. Put the greater number symbol. If the symbols are different, subtract it and put the greater number symbol. Now you got it, right? So we had learnt what is a whole number, first natural number and whole number, and what is an integer and representing integers on a number line. Next, ascending order of an integer, descending order of an integer. After that, we have learnt the addition of integers, that is adding two positive integers, adding two negative integers, adding positive and negative integer. So, remember one thing, that if you add the same symbol, add it and put the greater number symbol. If you are adding different symbol, subtract it and put the greater number symbol. Got it? So, you have to write the symbol multiplication Please by heart this symbol multiplication thoroughly, because you will be using this symbol multiplication in future. Okay, same symbol if you multiply, plus different symbols when you multiply, negative sign. That's it. Very simple. Same symbol multiplication, positive sign. Different symbol multiplication, negative sign. Got it? So addition of integers is over. Okay. So we'll give you some activity as a homework. Take it as a homework. You can do it. One model for integer you will get through WhatsApp. Okay. Next, additive inverse. First, what is inverse? Inverse means opposites. That is, subtraction for inverse of addition is subtraction, and inverse of subtraction is addition. Inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of division is multiplication. Got it? Inverse means opposites. So inverse of addition is subtraction, inverse of subtraction is addition, inverse of multiplication is division, inverse of division is multiplication. We are going to study additive inverse, that is inverse of addition. So what will be the inverse of addition? What is inverse of addition? Suppose the number 3. If there is no symbol for any number, consider it as plus. 7. No symbol, so consider it as plus, positive sign. Then what will be the inverse of plus 3? Inverse is inverse of plus 3s. What is the sign here? Plus. So what is the opposite of plus? Subtraction, minus. So minus 3. Got it? Next, inverse of plus 7. Inverse of plus 7 is positive sign. So inverse is negative, and the number write it as it is, digit. Got it? Inverse means opposite. Additive inverse, that is addition inverse. So plus 3, inverse of plus 3 is minus 3, inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. Next, what will be the inverse of negative integer? Minus 10, minus 16. Minus 10. The inverse of minus 10 is plus 10, and the inverse of minus 16 is plus 16. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of subtraction is addition. So minus 10 inverse is plus 10, and minus 16 inverse is plus 16. Got it? Next, we are going to study one example using a model. So I'll tell you how to do addition of integers using one model. For example, minus 2, addition of integers, minus 2 plus 6. Okay, I am going to use the model to solve this problem. So minus 2 plus 6. How will you do it? Here, first you have to remove our aim is to remove the brackets. So minus 2 as it is. Next, plus and plus, both the symbols are nearer. If the symbols, two symbols are nearer, then they are in multiplication. So plus into plus is plus. So write the positive sign and 6. Got it? Next, we are going to do the problem with the help of a model. That is, I'm going to use the tiles to solve this problem. Okay, I'm going to add this two integers, positive and negative integers, with the help of a model. The model is tile. This pink color rectangle tile is your positive integer and this black color rectangle tile is your negative integer. Okay, black color rectangle is your negative integer. I am going to stick to, okay, and you have, I told you, this black color represents negative integer and this pink color represents positive integer. So I am going to stick 6 tiles. Okay, you have 2 negative integers and 6 positive integers. That is minus 1, minus 1. Am I right? And you have plus 6. So this is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 and plus 1. We are going to do this problem with the help of a model, and your model is tile. So you know that plus 1 and minus 1, same number but different symbols will give 0. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Okay, so you can remove one set, minus 1 and plus 1, 0. Next, again you have plus 1 and minus 1. Same number but different symbols gives 0. So I am going to remove the second set also. Then check what is remaining. So you can't do any calculations here. You have only the positive integers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can write it directly, plus 4. Got it? As I told you, addition of two different symbols. That is, if you are going to add one positive integer and one negative integer, if the symbols are different, subtract it and put the greater number symbol. So I am going to subtract this 2 and 6. If you are subtracting, you will get 4. And what is the greater number? You check it next. Greater number is 6 and 6 symbol is positive sign. So you write the positive sign. If there is no symbol, you can write before that positive sign. So you got the answer. The answers are same? Yes. Got it? This is how you will do the problem. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.